Was the Brigadier Jerry incident a prank gone wrong? Well, his wife certainly thinks so.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Veteran Jamaican entertainer Brigadier Jerry has been slapped with a battery of gun-related charges in the United States. But the incident may have been triggered by a prank gone wrong, this according to his wife. The 62-year-old entertainer, whose real name is Robert Russell, has been charged with illegal discharge of a firearm, first-degree robbery, first-degree reckless endangerment, carrying a pistol without a permit, illegal transfer of a pistol, and altering a serial number on a firearm. He has been held on a US $250,000 bond stemming from a November 11 incident in Waterbury, Connecticut, USA. Russell will return to the Waterbury Superior Court at 400 Grand Street on the 27th of November. According to Russell's wife, it has been several months since the entertainer has visited Bertie's West Indian and American restaurant, the reported scene of the shooting. He has not been down there in so long, several months, but he decided to go and hang out with his friends since he has been in the house all along. I was told that what triggered everything is that they, his friends, took his wallet and hid it. And he had a lot of money in his wallet. When he was asking for it, they were all laughing, and that aggravated the situation, she said in between tears. His wife of 35 years said she was told that her husband stormed out and returned, scooping up the money on the table where he and his friends had been playing. I wasn't there, but I suppose he was saying, "When me get back my wallet, Uno will get back on the money," she said, adding that her husband had never been accused of robbery. I have never seen Briggy displayed that kind of anger before. I have known him over 35 years, and he is the kind of person who will try to cool down a situation. This is sad, and it is a tough time for my family, but I have to stay strong. Russell appeared at a court hearing on Tuesday, the 12th of November. His wife said she has not seen him since. "I went to look for him, but there is a lot of paperwork to be filled in and a process to follow, and that will take 2 weeks," she said. The family has retained a lawyer, and they are seeking to come up with the required 10% of the bail bond. I want to especially thank those persons who have called to offer their assistance and words of comfort. Although I have told them to hold off, it is still enough respect and thanks, she said. Russell, she said, has asked her to apologize to his fans on his behalf. When contacted, a management representative at Bertie's said there had not been any fallout with customers at the moment. The representative said that he would not speak about the incident because it was the subject of a police investigation. Brigadier Jerry is known for his work with Daddy U Roy's King Sturgraph sound system, which was based in Kingston, where he worked alongside Josie Wales and Charlie Chaplin. He is also the brother of another dancehall icon, Sister Nancy.
Who goes there? Yeah, man. Original Rasta DJ.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.